Hi, in front of me is REALME X50 5G, and today I want to show you how you can install AdBlock on your device. Open Play Store, then type Opera Mini and download this app. After that, open it. Wait a minute. Click Continue and allowing Continue. Now AdBlock is on. You can check it out by going into any website. As you can see, you blocked your first ads. If you want to turn off AdBlock, click on the bottom right corner and select AdBlocking. Now AdBlock is off. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!